Good morning, Mr. Kun Miftahul Haq. Thank you for coming today. Let me introduce myself. I am Fahmi as a HRT from this session of interview. In the first, could you briefly introduce yourself and explain your technical background and relevant in this role?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Fahmi, for the attention for me. My name is Kun Miftahul Haq. I am graduate from Politeknik Artonika Surabaya. The majoring is Power Generation System, and I'm interested in control system and design and control system, which is based on my final project that some case is design and control system.
In the next, can you describe how you usually approach analyzing a system when it's not performing as expected?
Okay, thank you for the question. Based on my previous project, on my final project and my project with my lecture, there is some problem with which is not work properly, or there is something issue in my project. First, I can solve using what is the input variable and output variable, and then after I identify the input and output, I can see where is the problem placed, and then I can focus in the section, and as usually after I solve the problem, and then there is some good progress in my project.
Okay. Next, what are your key technical strengths that are relevant to electrical and control engineering?
Thank you for the question. For my technical strength is first, based on my previous project, I can handle on mathematics from the plan, and then I can use some IoT and monitoring IoT and monitoring control, that was usually in my project, based on my project in plans or in external project myself.
Okay. Why do you think you are suitable for this electrical and control engineer position?
Okay, thank you for the question. My reason is suitable in electrical and control engineering because based on my previous project, I can handle some project with myself or with my team. There was my fundamental in electrical and control design, and I have optimism in that position that I apply.
Okay, good answer. Next, tell me about your situation where you had to collaborate with others and to solve technical problem.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for the question. Based on my previous project, which in my internship in PLTSA Bantar Gebang, there is some sort of problem in there, which I can solve it with my team. Because the reason I solve with my team is the limited of time. In there, one of my friend is in the real plan, and I solve in the simulation. Like in PID, I'm go to the model mathematics, and my friend is and input the PID parameter in the manual console in real plan.
Okay, thanks for answer. And the last of the question, what are your expectation of salary in your role?
Okay, thank you for information about the salary, which I already research on the industry budget and my life budget and my competent in industry. I offer the salary is range in 6 until 9 million rupiah. Maybe you can make the offer of my salary.
Okay. Thank you. That's for all today. I hope your is very to be clear from today. Okay, nice to meet you, Mr. Kun.